Today I will be showing you a website that has been developed as a tool to visualize the motion of sea ice in the Arctic and Antarctic oceans. When you're looking at the main page here, if you just start clicking in this white space in the middle, it'll start adding tracks. Tracks are automatically a year apart, so it'll start from 2000 to 2001. If you'd like to see more tracks, say if you want to see 2001 to 2002, you can go ahead and step a year forward, and for your most recently added track, it will continue adding more tracks onto that point. So as you can see, as I keep clicking, there's more and more green tracks. If you'd like the track to see where this red dot came from, you can have the year 2 be before year 1 by taking the top slider. You can slide it before. So now, as you can see, we have year 1 being 2006, month 1, and now we have year 2 being 2005, month 2. And if you step the years back, it will then add orange tracks to show you where the ice originated from the year before. Over here on the right, there's different parameters that you can plot for it, and these parameters will follow the time scale that you input. Given that there is data for it. So if you put it for 2000 to 2005, and say the ice melted by 2003 completely, and there's no data after that, this graph would just go from 2000 to 2003 and whatever month that it stopped having data for it. If you want to see all the parameters available, you can go over to plot parameters, and it will show you all of them available for that track. You can download the data for the most recently selected track by selecting this button, and it will download as a .csv file. You can zoom into this map with this mouse wheel if you'd like to see some more detail. You can add more tracks. As you can see, we still have year 2 being before year 1, so we're seeing where the ice came from, with the red dot being where it finished. If we move year 2 to be past year 1 again, it will go back to being the red dot being the origin of the ice, depending on the time scale, and the ending of the green track being where it ended up afterwards. If we were to change this to be multiple years, so if we went to 2000 to, let's say, 2006, start adding some tracks in here, you can see that the parameters down here change, as well as the parameters up in this one. You can see the x-axis changes, and you can see that the track gets dramatically longer as well. If you were to switch it the opposite way and add a track, you can see that it'd be equally long in the opposite direction. And after you're done plotting tracks and downloading the information that you'd like, you can go ahead and come over and hit clear tracks, and that will clear any tracks that you have put into the map at that time.